Happy day, buddies. This is Nilima Amit from One Life Many Journeys OLMJ. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Today's meditation is about accepting your body, loving your body. The background score is pure, clean, positive energy music from Meditation and Healing. Place your mat on the ground in your favorite place. Sit in Ardha Padmasana or Purna Padmasana or with just folded legs. With your back straight, chin up, with a smile on your face. Your hands in the receiving or the Gyan Mudra. If you're sitting on a chair, place your mat on the chair and sit comfortably in the chair with your feet deeply rooted in the ground and your back straight with your chin up with a smile on your face. Place your hands in a Gyan Mudra or the receiving position. Today we will talk to our body and tell our body how much we love our body. As you close your eyes, we take 3 cleansing breaths. We inhale through our nose and we exhale through our mouth with a sigh. The inhale through the nose should be up to the navel. Inhale happiness and peace. And exhale out through your mouth all the sorrows and the chaos. Once again inhale health and vitality. And exhale out disease, illnesses. Once again inhale peace and calm. And exhale out the stress and worry. And now get back to a normal breath. Inhale and exhale. Try to breathe in harmony with the background score. And as you breathe normally, you will feel lighter and energetic. And as you feel lighter and energetic, imagine a golden light at your third eye. The golden light at your third eye is very inviting. Enter through the golden light and go in. As you go in, you see your body there. Your body is feeling very lonely, is very sad. It doesn't have any friend. It has been abused by you for years. Because you have told your body many times, you've been fat, I don't have good legs, I don't have nice arms, I am dark, I'm too fair, I'm too thin, I'm too fat, I'm too ugly, and whatnot. The body is really feeling very sad and dejected. Why don't you take steps towards your body and try to talk to your body? Tell what you would want to do for your body. Would you want to make friends with your body? Yes, you would. So step ahead. Go closer to your body and tell your body, my dear body, you are a good friend of mine and I will look after you very lovingly. I will care for you very lovingly. The body looks up to you and is not convinced. It is absolutely not convinced and is doubting you. Why don't you sit down and give a warm hug to your body? Why don't you just be there with your body? Cuddle your body. Feel the pain the body has gone through all these years because of you. It is absolutely fine. Now you realize how important is your body for you. How beautiful and attractive your body is for you. So, talk to your body and your body is going to understand you. Tell your body that my body is perfect for me at this time. My body weight is also perfect. I am exactly where I choose to be. I am beautiful and every day I become more attractive. This concept used to be very hard for me to accept, yet things are changing now that I am treating myself as if I was someone who was deeply loved, and so I promise you, my body, I will treat you similarly. I will accept you and love you deeply. I'm learning to reward myself with healthy little treats and pleasures now and again. And I'm sure you that will make you very happy. Little acts of love nurture me, doing that things I really like, such as quiet time, a walk in nature, a hot soothing bath, or anything that really gives me pleasure, I'm going to do for me and for you. And I'm sure you'll feel loved and cared along with me in this journey. I enjoy caring for myself. I promise to eat healthy and to exercise. I promise to treat you once in a while and still not feel guilty about it. I promise to treat myself with love and respect, and in turn, treat you with love and respect. I believe it is okay to like myself and to be my own best friend. And now I will like you and be your best friend too. I know my body is filled with starlight and that I sparkle and glow everywhere I go. And once I sparkle and glow, you too sparkle and glow. Our light is radiating everywhere. Now you see a smile on the body's face. Your body has accepted what you have said and has embraced you, and you walk back along with your body through the golden light into yourself. You're glowing and sparkling. You are loving yourself. You have accepted yourself. You know it is okay to love yourself the way you are. You are going to look after yourself well. And now the body has decided to cooperate with you, to be with you, and help you achieve your goals, your dream goals. And the body is always with you now. It's become one with you. And with this oneness and a smile on your face, come back to your breath and see the beautiful harmony that is around you, in the environment, in the music that is being played. Be there in the moment, in the breath. Feel the love, feel the warmth, feel the glow, feel the sparkle. Soak yourself in it. Use this all throughout the day to make yourself the most happiest person, the most beautiful person, the most energetic and positive person. And now, as you glow and sparkle, as you love and accept yourself, wiggle your feet and rub your palms and place your palms on your eyes. Feel the warmth of your palms and gently open your eyes the moment you feel ready. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Heartfelt gratitude. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon of my YouTube channel. This piece about loving your body has been taken from Loisy Hay's book, Meditation to Heal Your Life. Thank you. Heartfelt gratitude.